As I said earlier, you have your party poppers at the ready. The city is looking fantastic. So many family-friendly sites there with all of their happy faces looking excited and ready to ring in 2013.
And you know what? It's really nice when you look at those live sites. This is something new that the council decided to do this year. They've never done it before. The idea was to move the crowds away and give them something more engaging to do wherever they happen to be watching the fireworks. So they've got this concerts on out there, and they'll have their own special treat after the fireworks are finished. We'll bring you to that. And they are now charging their drinks as we count down.
They are. As you can see, that's a very special video put together. All of the numbers in the countdown are actually iconic Melbourne symbols. So you'll notice there we saw the 24 there, part of the parking sign, and you'll see the 21 part of the street, a tram stop. All of these amazing things. Only a few seconds to go there. 15 now, not long. We're about to count it down. Here we go. Here comes number 10. Pray we don't get stuck at 5, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year! Big finish there. That was
Big
spectacular,
finish.
wasn't it?
Jazz hands, Melbourne. Melbourne has its jazz hands out. Let's chat to Tom Brown, where he is amongst the action at the Docklands. Tommy, how was it from down there?
Parksy, that was an incredible, spectacular finale to those fireworks, but they want this festivities down here, the official festivities, I should say, to continue. And a giant mirror ball, New York style, is about to be dropped behind me. It's going to go up. There's pyrotechnics coming off it. The DJ's mixing some tracks, and the festivities down here at Docklands